Good afternoon. This is Mr. Obermiller. I just want to go over, a lot of you are losing points on your assignments because you're not completing all of the Khan Academy assignments, okay? It's really important that you understand what we're doing, because in a couple of weeks we're going to be moving on, not from review, but going into new topics, and so that's why the videos and everything are so important. Now, I chose to do day 5 as an example, okay? You'll notice that on day 5 you had 3 Khan Academy assignments. 2 of them were just videos, and then 1 was an actual quiz, okay? You had to watch everything in completion. If you skip the videos because you're like, I've got this, and then you do the quiz, you can get a perfect grade on the quiz, you're still only going to get 10 out of 30 points, okay? You have to do everything that's assigned to you, all right? Now, when you do Khan Academy, click on the assignment right from Classroom. It will open up a new window. The first thing that you want to do, it takes a while to load, but as it's loading, make sure in this upper right-hand corner that your name appears. If your name isn't up here, then you're not logged in. If you're not logged in, then you're not going to get credit for this. You'll see it says John Obermiller. That's me. The next thing is be patient. Wait for the window to pop up. The Chromebooks aren't that fast, okay? They don't have a great processor. It takes a little while. The whole thing has to load, and then a window will pop up. This is the assignment that I want you to do. You click play, you have to watch the whole video. If you said, oh, I know this, and you skip to the next part, it won't count it as being done, okay? So you have to watch the video. When you're done, you can always, after you finish the video, rather than go on to the next thing, just close the window, go back to the classroom, click on the next link, the window will pop back up. Again, you make sure by looking in the upper right-hand corner that your name is there. You be patient, wait for the window to pop up. When the window pops up, you can watch the video. Now, there is another way to look at your assignments and to get them right from Khan Academy. Okay, you don't even have to go through Classroom. You can do it all through Khan Academy. Unfortunately, I cannot show you this right now because I have a teacher account. Okay, I looked online to see if someone had one posted. They don't have one posted. Okay, so, but what I can tell you is if you go to the Khan Academy site and the home page, by clicking on you can always click on the upper middle, you go to the top, Khan Academy will bring you to your home page. Now you'll see my home page looks a lot different than yours, and that's why I can't completely show you that. But if you know you're signed in, there's a link over here that will say assignments. It will have my class. You click on my class, and then underneath it will say assignments. You click on that, it will show you which assignments you have done, which assignments you haven't done. Okay, so there shouldn't be really any guessing about have I done it, have I not done it. You can always check right from the Khan Academy page. Hopefully this clears up some of the issues that we're having. We're having a lot of students that are only getting partial credit because they're not watching the videos, or they're skipping through the videos, and then it will not count it as done if you skip through the video. You can always check through Khan Academy's site, whether or not you've watched the videos, whether you've done all the assignments, okay? Again, it's an easy grade, and that's why I'm giving it to you, because I don't want you to say, oh man, I messed up on that quiz. This is really going to bring my grade down. I want you to say, you know what, maybe I didn't do great on that quiz, but because I did all my Khan Academy assignments, I'm going to get a great grade no matter what, okay? The other thing that I want to talk to you about with Khan Academy is you can redo the assignments. If you get a 40% on your assignments and you want to get better, do it again. I only see what your best grade is, and that's the grade that I enter into the grade book, okay? So make sure that you're doing all of that, all right? Again, this is review stuff, so I can understand some students said I skipped to the video because I knew the stuff, but I want you to get used to doing all of this. We're not going to be doing review forever, all right? We need to get everything down and understand what we're doing, so that way we when we move on to new material, you know exactly what you're doing. All right? I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. I can make more videos on how to do other things, but hopefully this one will help you with Khan Academy. All right.